At first glance, it looks like a sleek sports coupe, low-slung, aerodynamic, with carbon fiber panels that whisper performance. But in just under 3 minutes, something extraordinary begins to happen. This is the 2026 Klein Vision AirCar, and you're witnessing the future of mobility, unfolding literally in front of your eyes. The transformation is a moment of pure engineering theater. With a subtle mechanical hum, the rear fuselage extends, exposing the central stabilizer and twin tail booms. The car's back end begins to reconfigure, revealing its hidden airframe carefully stowed during ground mode. Then, something truly surreal happens. The sides of the car open and outslide the main wings, deployed in synchronized symmetry. These wings, crafted from lightweight composite alloys, stretch outward with precision locked in place by servo-driven actuators and aerospace-grade hinges. Every movement is smooth, controlled, and calculated like a machine that knows exactly what it's becoming. No tools, no crew, just one vehicle, reconfiguring itself at the push of a button. This isn't science fiction anymore, it's certified road legal innovation. As the wings lock into their flight-ready position, the propeller system at the rear engages. It's a 100 horsepower pusher prop, powered by a hybrid drive Rotax engine that transitions seamlessly from land to air propulsion. And all of this is happening while you're sitting in the cockpit, hands on the yoke, eyes on the hub. From inside, it feels less like a car and more like the startup sequence of a light aircraft. You can see the flight metrics updating in real-time airspeed. Altitude readiness, prop pitchel integrated into a dual-mode avionics cluster. Outside, bystanders watch as the car becomes something else entirely, a machine no longer constrained by the road. The transformation sequence is not only a feat of mechanical engineering, it's also a symbol, a marker in time where the boundaries between driving and flying begin to blur. In just a few short moments, the AirCar is fully configured. Wings locked, tail deployed, props spinning. It's no longer just a car, it's a certified flying vehicle, ready to take off from any suitable runway and climb to cruising altitude within minutes, capable of flying over 600 miles at speeds exceeding 100 miles per hour. The AirCar isn't just changing shape, it's changing the rules. And what you just witnessed, the transformation, is the most iconic part of that evolution. The 2026 Klein Vision AirCar isn't built for tomorrow's sci-fi fan. It's built for today's visionary. At first glance, the 2026 Klein Vision AirCar looks like a futuristic sports coupe, low-slung, aerodynamic, and dressed in carbon fiber panels that suggest speed and innovation. But within minutes, you witness something extraordinary. With the push of a button, the transformation begins. The rear fuselage extends outward as the central stabilizer and twin tail booms deploy from within, revealing the hidden mechanics of flight. The 2026 Klein Vision AirCar isn't built for tomorrow's imagination. It's built for today's boldest thinkers. From road to sky, in one seamless act of innovation, it redefines what a vehicle can be.